The Spray by G. Morrison. I had a boatie got the Spray. She was actually built for sail. She gave me pleasure mony a day, so my story o' her I'll tell. We bocht her fae a Peterhead lad, and steamed her through the bay. Van speeding being a rescue boat, nae watching he did stray. He struck the Spray and came aboard, when my brother was doing a howl. We stood while she squeaked, "For him a moored," and of course I get him a scowl. "You've burst my plunks, you dinna look, you'll hae to pay for it. You've nae excuse, it was nae fluke, ye dirty bloody rat." I shouted Ronald, fae doing a naeth, "You've nearly went to your grave. The boat it struck could have been your death." But he thought it was a wave. We moored her up, when we got hame. She was my pride and joy. She was a bonny boat, and we kept her name. For me it was Ship Ahoy. Her engine was a lister, and she made a bonny soon. When I'm hame I often missed her. She made me a happy loon. 3 pistons and 13 horsepower was the workhorse o' that boat. She was very good in fuel and oar, but the smoke got down my throat. For hers she was our workboat, and the winner o' our breed, and that was the boat that I was sought, and she did the job indeed. We went to haul our nets at sea, black shades as far we shot, but fan out air a boat came to. They said they'd catched a lot. Our morning ache and alky was out. Both sides of our nets they did rip. A half box of robies was all they could loot. Nae fish to has was their tip. The fish being sma in the time they were out, didna gie has muckle hope. So waiting for a tide to slacken to noot was a long wait and hard to cope. We started to haul the anchor aboard, and the nets they seemed very licht. But you wouldna believe every codlin we lured floated up and so big, fit as sacht. We filled out a howl and messed of the deck. The boat was top heavy and low. "I'll take some of your catch," shouted all Lake, but to me I had room to stow. There was big muckle swell from the shore we made for, the Heather Joy along our port side. "You'll never be poor," ek doon he did roar. We was glad o' help for the tide.